वहाँ पे फोटो करते, रुकिए ना मैम, 3 घंटे से रुके हम लोग। सर एक्सक्यूज मी सर, थोड़ा सा मैम, थोड़ा सा। हाँ जी हाँ जी, सोनाक्षी जी राइट कॉर्नर में, सोनाक्षी जी राइट कॉर्नर, राइट कॉर्नर सेंटर, सोनाक्षी जी सेंटर, राइट कॉर्नर मैम, मैम राइट कॉर्नर, सोनाक्षी मैम, सोनाक्षी जी सेंटर, यो सोनाक्षी जी राइट कॉर्नर, राइट कॉर्नर, सोनाक्षी जी सेंटर,
जरा साइड मागे बघा, साइड
हे स्टिल
family or something.
सोनाक्षी मैम, मैम मैम
से लगता है, ladies and gentlemen, Sonakshi Sinha with us, all yours. You know what? I get absolutely inspired by you when it comes to the fact that you take a stand against body shaming.
I think that is why we are so in sync with each other, and I'm truly happy to be launching the brand here today. Thank you so much for having me. Oh, wow.
So joining us today, I request Poonam Pilani, Venu Jain to please come forward for a group picture. Let's have a picture, photo op together. You know, I was just speaking about this a while ago, Sonakshi, that Gautam ji and his fabulous team here, they were on stage a while ago. They have worked so tirelessly to create this brand for all these lovely people out here. Gautam ji, do you want to say a few words?
Well, as I said earlier, this has been a very, very satisfying journey. And we are all here to give millions across the world a very, very truly pure, organic, certified organic product at an accessible price point so that everyone can use and make the world a better place to stay. And I believe Sonakshi will spread our message across and make this world really a better place to stay. Thank you.
Thank you, and I truly believe that this is exactly what the skincare market needs right now. And the fact that I love most about it, that it is sustainable and friendly for the environment, friendly for our skin, and like I said, vegan, organic, everything that you need. So congratulations, and I hope that you have a great run in the Indian skincare market, and I'm truly, truly happy and proud to be a part of your launch today.
I'm sure a lot of people here have a lot of questions. So if you have a question, I want you to put your hands up. Just make sure, can we have the mic be sent around? And if you have any questions related to the brand, please go ahead. You have any questions to ask Sonakshi, her beauty regime, you know, her secret. You don't want to miss this opportunity, you know. So go ahead and make the most of this. Yeah, go ahead. Yeah. Can we have the mic here, please? Can I have a... Yahan par. Haan, ji. Just say your name and make sure the questions are related to the brand.
Hi, Sohail.
Can we have the mic volume increase, please?
आपकी आवाज बहुत बुलंद है.
Hi, how are you?
Good. How are you?
So good to see you actually.
I know after very, very
Yeah,
long.
long time in fact.
I think this is my first media event appearance after the whole lockdown phase. So really happy to see all my friends from the media over here.
Sonakshi, you being a celebrity, you being a star, हमेशा you have to look beautiful और उसके लिए makeup बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. तो sometime ऐसे भी कभी हो जाता है कि यार it's always every time makeup ज़्यादातर actually तो कभी थोड़ा ऊब जाते हो. And the other thing is like inner beauty is also very important. That also reflects a lot. So what have you to say on that thing?
I think हमें ब्यूटीफुल लगना पड़ता है क्योंकि आप कैमरा लेकर हमारे पीछे पड़ जाते हो ना हम जहाँ पे भी जाते हैं तो अब क्या करें चॉइस ही नहीं छोड़ा आपने but honestly yes our profession is in that way demanding very demanding on our skin and requires a lot from our skin so we have to be careful with the products that we use the amount of care we take of our skin not necessarily कि मेकअप डाल के ही लोग खूबसूरत लगते हैं मैं मेकअप के बिना भी लगती हूँ okay मेरी माँ की खूबसूरती मुझे मिली है विरासत में तो I think it's each to his own. A lot of people, especially in a country like India with so many different weather conditions, a lot of people have different skin types and tones, and they all need to take care of it according to how their skin is structured. And I think that's what you need to find out, what works best for you. And I strongly believe, I've been like growing up, any remedies जो भी होती थी वो भी एकदम natural organic घर की जो मॉम बना कर देती थी मुल्तानी मिट्टी या हल्दी लगा दो हल्दी का लेप लगा दो या rub tomatoes or banana on your skin. So grown up touching my skin only with natural products,
Right.
which is why this is such a welcome thing in our market today and will help a lot of girls who are mindful of what they use on their skin.
Absolutely. Yes. Let's. You want to talk about inner beauty?
Yeah, that's why I asked. Second question was.
सर इनर ब्यूटी नहीं होगा तो जितना भी मेकअप लगा दो आप खूबसूरत नहीं लगोगे जितनी भी कोशिश कर लो
I want to ask you, Sonakshi, that you have recently won the Mother Teresa Award for planting trees and being environment conscious. Is this extension forward? Because even the brand talks about plant us,
Absolutely. I think as a person who is followed and viewed by people, followed by youngsters, I think it's very important and a big responsibility on my part to kind of take forward the things that I believe in. And sustainability, taking care of the environment, taking care of yourself, mental health, physical health. I think these are things that are very, very important to me, and I think I would want it to be an extension of whatever I do.
I hope we answered your question there. Thank you so much for asking that. Yeah. Okay. Let's go.
She got me.
Yes. Okay. Could we have the mic given to this lovely girl here? Yeah. What's your name? And your question.
Hi everyone, hi Sonakshi.
Hi.
I am Shravani Rane. I recently won Mrs. India Universe title as a runner-up from Mrs. India, She is India.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much. I am really privileged to meet you in person. And throughout that experience, I just want to ask you one question which we commonly come across while we are competing. What makes you beautiful or what beauty means to you?
I think it's a very cliched answer, but it's actually true. Beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. And what makes anyone beautiful is what Mr. Sohail mentioned, is inner beauty. And how kind you are, what you give back to the world, how you are with people. I think that is something that can make anybody beautiful. So you really have to just... that was such a Miss Universe type answer, no? May I compete karu kya?
Yes, I just wanted to understand what will be your answer to that question because
But
we
no,
commonly-
I really believe that. I think it really makes a difference how you treat people and how kind you are to the world and how much you give back to the world.
That's absolutely true. Thank you so much.
Very rightly said that kindness goes a long, long way. And we have one more question for you. Yes, can we have the mic behind?
Hi, good evening, everyone.
Hello, good evening.
Yeah, this is Mishka Timrani from Local Samosa. My first question is to the founder. Sir, how do you source your products? How is it all organic and how do you do the sourcing? And what's that one product that everybody should definitely buy?
I'll answer your last question first. Everyone should buy all the products.
Great.
Yeah. How do we source? We source all our raw materials from organic farming. And those farms and the products are also, the producers are also certified by EcoCert, because there's a complete farm to shelf audit, traceability audit. So this is a completely pure organic product. And as said, we are one of the 12 other brands which has completely surfactant-free cleansers. And this I came to know from no one other than the global chairman of EcoCert, Mr. Philip Tomazu, in one of the meetings. And this is a product which is 100% natural, minimum 95% organic. We have biodegradable packaging to make the Mother Earth a safer place to stay and a sustainable place to stay. This is, we have surfactant-free cleansers, as I said, global sustainability standard compliant, and most of it is that we could have brought a product of this nature which competes with the best in the globe in terms of the quality in a very, very premium fashion with some very premium packaging. But my idea from the beginning was to make organic products affordable, accessible, and to reach the critical mass. Because mostly what happens is the products, the international brands, which are all Cosmos V3 certified, are 3 to 5 times higher. And they only remain an aspiration for the consumers at large. So I have now tried to bring in products for everyone. So more people use biodegradable packaging, chemical-free product, the world becomes more sustainable, safer, and better place to stay. Thank you.
Thank you so
Thank
much,
you.
sir.
Thank you so
I
much.
have another question for Sonakshi ma'am. First of all, hello. What are those 3 beauty products or makeup products that you always carry? And, okay, and another one is there any quick beauty routine that you follow?
I'll answer your first question. Since you asked for makeup products, I can't do without my eyeliner, some little bit of concealer, and lipstick. I think these are my 3 main essentials. Other than that, what was your second question, sorry?
Any quick beauty routine that you follow?
Beauty routine, I try to follow a routine, I'll be honest. I usually skip any sort of routine, but I've now gotten into the whole self-love, taking care of yourself kind of phase in life where I try to moisturize my skin as and when I can. I cleanse off my makeup very, very well. Earlier, you just slap on a
Right.
wet tissue and you're like, okay, makeup utar gaya. But no, you have to be very, very careful. That is something I've started doing. And of course, being hydrated all the time really, really helps. So these are the 3 things that
Thank you so much.
follow.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, we have one more question there. Anyone else? Just raise your hand so I know how many more questions are remaining. Okay, fantastic.
Hi, you look really
Hi.
stunning today.
Thank you, so do you.
Thank you. So my question for you is, what is the one product that you would recommend from Planters?
From Planters, I think, like I said, I emphasized on keeping your skin supple and moisturized. वैसे तो all their products is something that I would recommend, which is why I'm also here. They're all natural, they're all organic, so pick and choose whatever you want. I discuss skin types. Every skin needs something different. You might have dry skin, I might have oily skin. So you can choose your product accordingly. But for me right now, I think most essential is to keep my face hydrated. So I would pick their moisturizers for sure.
Perfect. Thank you.
Thank you so much. And we move on. There was one question there. Yeah, the lovely lady in pink. Anyone else? Okay, one, two. Okay, super.
Hello, good evening,
Hi,
Sonakshi.
good
I'm a
evening.
big fan. I'm
Oh,
Dr.
sweet.
Mekhla Bause. I'm a beauty and fashion influencer on Instagram. So since I do a lot of beauty content and you have such beautiful skin,
Thank you.
would you like to share a secret family inherited skincare secret that you follow, that you have?
Now this skin only I've inherited from my mother. What secret can I tell you? But no, truly, I'm very lucky that both my parents actually have great skin, and which is what I've got. And to be honest, I take my skin very much for granted, and I know that I shouldn't. So which is why I've started, kind of taking care of it. And my mother has been someone who always, if anything happens, if I ever rarely I break out, but whenever I do, she'll give me like home remedies and stuff. So I would just suggest to keep it as natural as you can. Your skin is not made to, be under so many chemicals all the time. It's very important to let your skin breathe. So I think that would only be my advice. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Yeah, the one in blue. We have two more there. One more, okay.
Hi Sonakshi, this is Karishma from Elle Magazine.
Hi, Karishma.
So my question to you is how to get glowing this wedding season. Any recommendations, please?
How to get glowing this wedding season?
Yeah.
Get married.
All right.
वो मैं उनको दूंगी सर, आप एजेंट क्यों बन रहे हो बीच में? मैं भेज दूंगी उनको wishes. Of course, I wish them all the very best.
There was one more lady there. The one in blue, you had a question, right? Okay. Go ahead, quickly.
Have you ever thought of actually painting, this is a natural thing and you paint amazingly well. You on this packaging and your works would make a very big difference. I mean, I think you should actually ask her to do that.
You should ask him this.
You should ask her to paint. She's such an amazing painter.
Good idea.
So there's one more suggestion I had. Your packaging should have seeds embedded in them, So every time you throw the packaging, it brings more trees out.
That's
It's just a
Very,
suggestion.
very good suggestion. They say the greatest threat to our planet is that we don't have a planet B. We just have one planet. And all you influencers, you'll create so much of impact and are an inspiration to so many people out there. I think this is an opportunity for you to commit to eco-friendly products, sustainable products. What do you
Absolutely,
say?
and the whole world is moving towards sustainability, I think, whether it comes to fashion, whether it comes to food,
True that.
whether it comes to, just developing certain habits that help the environment in this, and they could be the smallest of things, So the entire world needs to kind of move in that direction, and kudos to you guys for having achieved that with
Yeah.
Planters.
Thank you, Sonakshi. In fact, yeah, go ahead.
I'd like to add one more thing for your information, for information of all present here, that we tried very consciously to use whatever natural, organic, biodegradable possible. The mono cartons that you see for all our products are unbleached papers, which is a very rare phenomena. And the ink that we have used for printing is an organic ink. So that's the kind of care we have taken.
Sonakshi, as the
so much,
name
Gautam.
goes, planters actually. तो कभी
Can you just raise your hand? We don't know where you are. Okay.
हाँ. तो कभी आपने कोई plant grow किया है, just to be more organic, like, and that is what you try to use it. कभी उस तरह का ख्याल आया या कभी ऐसा वक्त मिला है?
सर घर पे गार्डन है
ना?
हाँ वहाँ पे बहुत plants हैं. But yeah, I think it's our job to kind of encourage people to plant more trees and all. I've attended certain drives to do that. Every child I meet, I make sure I tell them that you have to plant trees and you have to save the planet. So yeah, I think consciously it has to be embedded in you for you to kind of take that sort of action and make sure that you promote these values wherever you go. So yeah, definitely, I am all for a green planet.
Just one last question from my side. लोगों के ज़हन में ऐसा है कि जो film stars होते हैं वो ज़्यादातर like they go out of India ज़्यादातर दे प्रेफर इम्पोर्टेड प्रोडक्ट्स एक्चुअली, मतलब जो भी है, तो व्हाट इज वो उस तरह का जो मिथ है, आई डोंट नो, तो आपके इफ यू से समथिंग के हाउ मच डू यू प्रेफर इंडियन ब्रांड्स आल्सो?
I mean, it's a mix of both. If it's not necessarily up to the uh, just because of the brand or its name or whatever, I have to actually like the product. May it be an international product or an Indian product. Of course, the कोशिश तो ये रहती है कि we promote more Indian brands because we are trying to bring them forward and help them do well. So, but I don't think it's a myth. I mean, even a normal person today could be holding a Gucci bag but wearing an Indian designer. So it's all up to a person's personal choice at the end of the day. So बाद में बात करेंगे ना, आप चाय पे मिलो मेरे को.
Okay, anybody else? Last question? All right. Last question. Okay. Can we have the mic quickly passed around?
Hi, ma'am.
Hi.
मैम मैं ब्यूटी एडवाइज़र हूँ फ्रॉम प्लांटास. मैम मैं आपकी बहुत बड़ी फ़ैन हूँ.
थैंक यू.
मैम आप इतने अच्छी कैसे दिखते हो?
क्योंकि मेरे आप जैसे फैंस हैं.
थैंक यू मैम. मैम सच में मैं आपकी बहुत बड़ी फ़ैन हूँ. मैं आपको जब आप दबंग मूवी में आप आए थे तब से मैं आपको फॉलो करती हूँ, और मुझे बहुत जन ये कमेंट करते हैं कि आप मैं मतलब आपकी जो फेस कटिंग है लाइक वो मुझे भी थोड़ी थोड़ी है, तो क्या मैम ये सही है, मैं सही समझूँ?
बिल्कुल सही है. 12 साल पहले मैं आपके जैसे ही लगती थी.
थैंक यू मैम. मैम मैंने आपका देखा है, मतलब कॉलेज के जो आपके पिक थे मैंने वो देखी हूँ. मैंने
मेरी मतलब फ्लैशबैक हो गया मुझे अभी.
थैंक यू मैम. और मुझे यकीन ही नहीं हो रहा है कि मतलब आप मेरे सामने हो. थैंक यू सो मच मैम.
थैंक यू.
All right. With that, ladies and gentlemen, we've come to the end. But before we have, yeah. Yes, of course, we are going to have a picture with the product.
आप ready हो? Whatever I need, it's right here.
I'll hold the mic for you so that you can click a picture. Yeah, please come, sir. Please. Ladies and gentlemen, I want you to have a look at this dynamic, visionary team that has made this possible. It's their vision that has manifested today. So let's give them a round of applause once again. 5 years of hard work, dedication, perseverance, and here it is today. What a historic moment for Plantus and Gautam ji. Once again, my heartiest congratulations to Gautam ji and Madhumita ji for a fabulous, fabulous job that they have done in the last 5 years. Thank you so much. And yeah, please go ahead, click the pictures. Sahu, Director, Strategic Affairs, Plantus, to please step forward for the vote of thanks.
My name is Ajay Sahu and I have the honor and privilege of delivering the vote of thanks.
Wow, nice phone, OnePlus. Thank you.
आप लोग